Jamison Heating and Cooling presents
Air conditioners, expensive to run, expensive to buy. Air conditioners, don't want to spend, but we don't want to fry. Call your friendly neighborhood HVAC pros, 'cause air conditioners on sale.
Jamison Heating and Cooling Services, your friendly neighborhood HVAC pros.
Your air filter look like this?
Ew.
Call Jamison Heating and Cooling Services, your friendly neighborhood HVAC pros.